Hi, this is Shankar. I'm going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for primary and upper primary class students. Today my topic is properties of natural numbers. This is the third property. Here natural numbers means all positive counting numbers are called as a natural numbers. Here associative property. Now we are going to discuss this property divided into four kinds. Associative property under addition, associative property under subtraction, associative property under multiplication, associative property under division. We are going to discuss these four kinds. The first one is associative property under addition. Suppose here small a comma small b comma small c belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers. Here what will happen? A plus b plus c I am writing together, b plus c within the bracket, b plus c within the bracket I am going to write. Here is equal, here a plus b together I am writing a plus b, c I am writing individually. These results also belongs to natural numbers. Here small a comma b comma c belongs to natural numbers. That implies a plus b plus c I am writing together within the bracket equals a plus b, here we are writing together within the bracket, plus c individually we are writing. Here if you satisfy this condition, associative property under addition is follows or satisfied. Here suppose small a is equal to 1, here b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. I am going to substitute this LHS and RHS values. Here a is nothing but, that implies a is nothing but 1, plus within the bracket I am going to substitute b value and c value. 2 plus 3 equal, here a plus b is nothing but a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Here 1 plus 2. The rest of the one is c, that value is 3. Here 1 within the bracket, 2 plus 3 5. I am removing here bracket. Here 1 plus 2 means nothing but 3 plus 3. Here 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Here 3 plus 3 6. Here left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. This is the positive value. This result also belongs to positive value. 6 belongs to natural numbers. Here associative property under addition satisfies or follows or work out. Here a comma b comma c belongs to natural numbers. That implies a plus within the bracket, together I am writing b plus c equal to a plus b. Here I am writing together within the bracket, plus individually writing c belongs to also natural numbers. Here this property is satisfied. That's why associative property under addition is follows. The next property is associative property under subtraction. Here subtraction. Here small a comma small b comma small c belongs to natural numbers. That implies a minus within the bracket b minus c equals, here within the bracket a minus b minus c also belongs to natural numbers. If this condition will be satisfied, associative property under subtraction satisfies. Otherwise, it is not satisfied. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. That implies directly I am going to substitute in this LHS and RHS values. A is nothing but 1 minus within the bracket I am going to substitute b value, c value. 2 minus 3 equals, a minus b means 1 minus 2 minus c means 3. Here left hand side value I am going to simplify. 1 minus within the bracket 2 minus 3 means plus 2 value minus 3 value means minus 1. Here is equal, here minus means 1 minus 2 means plus is a 1, minus is a 2. Here minus 1 within the bracket, here minus the rest of the one is minus 3. Here I am multiplying inside the bracket. Minus into minus means 1 plus 1 equal to, here minus 1, here also minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. Here left hand side plus 1 means plus 2 is equal to, here minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4. Here what will happen? 2 does not equal to minus 4. 2 does not equal to minus 4. Here left hand side does not equal to right hand side. Here also this is the minus 4. This is not a correct equation, does not belongs to natural numbers. Here associative property under subtraction is not satisfies or not follow, not work out. The next property, associative property under multiplication. Now we are going to check if it is satisfied or not. This is a multiplication. Here small a comma b comma c belongs to natural numbers. That implies a into, here within the bracket, b into c equal to, here within the bracket I am writing together here, a into b into c, these results also belongs to natural numbers. If you satisfy this condition, associative property under multiplications also satisfy or follows this rule. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. That implies I am going to substitute directly a value, b value, c value. Here 1 into, here 2 into 3 equal to, here 1 into 2 within the bracket into the rest of the one is 3. Here I am going to simplify within the bracket 1 into 2 into 3 6. Directly I am writing here. I am removing this bracket also. Here 1 into 2 means 2 only, into the rest of the one is 3. Here 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 is 3 means 2 multiplied by 3 means 2 is added by 3 times 6. Here 6 both are positive and equal. LHS is equal to RHS. 6 also belongs to natural numbers. That's why associative property under the multiplication is satisfies. Thank you.